Welcome, welcome. This right here is my Glam Looks People Studio GPT and ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to design a amazing image right here. When you have the homepage here, you go to start here. This GPT, you don't have to write prompts, okay? If you want, you can add some words in there, but you do not have to write prompts. It will show you what you can choose, and if you have something else that you want to throw in, you're good to go. Let's go for female. Welcomes you and choose a gender. You go with B, female. Okay. What's your character's name? You put a name in because later you want to search it up and find it. Let's say the character name is um, Ava. I said Eva, Eve. And the body type, tall and slim. I will go for E, athletic toned. Okay. Can choose hairstyle. There are so many hairstyles given here. You can choose one, or you can, if you know one, you can type it in. Okay, you have layer pixie, sleek bob, long straight, curly afro, shoulder length, all the long wavy locks and stuff. Let's go with locks. I'll put in I. Okay, and also if you want the locks to do some, you want it to be in a certain way, like in a hair updo, loose, in a ponytail, you could put it into. Outfit, you can choose a business outfit, elegant gown, evening gown, casual, glam suit, fashion, something else that you want. Let's say we want a trendy crop top and white. Let's go for G. G, okay? G. And the pose, confident power pose, hand on hip, a glamorous smile, walking runway pose, arm crossed with a confident expression. If you have one in mind, like sitting, no, I'm not gonna do that because we want to see the pants. Okay, let's choose one of this. Walking runway, hand on hip, glamorous smile, confident poses, warm smile, relaxed stance with one hand in pocket. Let's go for E. Okay. Okay, and then next question, the accessories, gold hoop earrings, diamond stud. If you want luxury watch and or bracelet, handbag, head or head wrap, none of these. Let's go to layered gold necklaces. We're gonna put C, and you can also combine them. Layered gold necklaces and large hoop. Okay, C and A. Okay, and then as a skin tone and stuff, you can have like dark skin, warm, medium, light brown, and bronze, and so forth. And also, if you have a type that you want to put in, you can put it in. Let's go for B, warm caramel. Caramel. B. And then let me see if there are more questions. I know right now it's creating the image for you. This GPT is amazing. I'm telling you. I took my time. I made this thing since February. I've been working on it for months, chipping off, putting in, editing, cutting out, deleting, and all those things. Okay, and look how beautiful this lady is. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at her face. Look at the image. I told you I put work in this thing. I put work in this thing. Things that I put a lot of work in this thing. And the thing is, you see her here. If you want to change her, you can still change her. If you want her whole body, you can go in and edit here and say um whole body. Put whole body, like the whole body. Or you can say zoom out like one time, zoom out one time and stuff. Look how beautiful she is. Look at her hair. I put in work with this thing. I'm telling you, I've put in work with it. All the things that I've done to get these images in here, all the words that I had to use, all the things that I've done to get. So in this GPT, you will never get ugly images. Every image will be beautiful. Even if you want a man, it will come out amazing. I'm telling you, it will come out amazing. It's showing It's working on it. You see, we asked for the whole body and we got the whole body. You see that? We got the whole body. And to get consistent images, you can just click on here and go in. In another video, I'll show you how to get consistent images with it. There's like her in other outfits doing other things with her hair up, like with pajamas at home with her boyfriend and everything. I'll show you how to get it. Um, if you're interested in this, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.